Hey guys, you want to practice your particles, speaking skills in Korean, and also boost your self-esteem at the same time? I have a solution for you. So remember the song that I sing to my daughter every day? I want you to plug in your own name and sing it to yourself, okay? So my daughter's name is Yeona. So the closing line of the song goes to 연아는 연아를 사랑해. Now, if you want to know more about the topic and subject particles, nuances I already covered in previous TikToks, so you can check that out later. The reason I'm recommending it is because when I did it to myself by plugging in my own name to that last line of the song, I almost teared and cried because I guess I was always harsh on myself. I'll be like, not good enough, try harder, try harder. But then again, like throughout this postpartum recovery process, one thing I learned really hard is that whatever I do does not really determine my self-worth, but my own existence itself is good enough, right? So this song sort of reminds you that by fact, like you love yourself. So put the topic of your particles depending on your name, put in the comments and I can check it for you, and then say it to yourself every day and see what changes it brings to your life.